Hello everyone, my name is Anusha. I am a housewife and I am having 2 little kids. After having kids, I started feeling that what is the purpose of my life on this earth? In the masterclass, I got to know the purpose of my life and I wanted a mentor to hold my hands and show the directions for that. I wanted to be best 𝘀𝗵𝗿𝗲𝗃 coach, and that is why I got enrolled into the Passionpreneur batch 9. I'm about to start writing a book, and thank you Dev Gadhvi sir, thank you the whole team for understanding what is my purpose and what is my passion and show me the direction for getting success in this journey. I am very proud that I am a part of PPMM batch 9. I am very much clear about my vision and mission and also my niche and the way, the goals I need to have and the tasks I need to keep on doing the tasks which are related to it, give the directions to reach that goal. And I have also transformed myself spiritually and also mentally. I'm much confident in front of the camera. I'm much confident in front of the people. Thank you so much for the opportunity given for me. And also, I would like to thank Gurudev for this opportunity. And also, I would like to thank all of them who are involved in this process technically and also directly and indirectly, because they are all here to support us and also to show the directions and to make us feel proud. I'm working a lot and I'm taking massive actions, and also I'm active in social media. I have increased my visibility in social media and I'm getting a lot of good results and good responses from people who are following me. And yes, I'm getting very much excited towards moving my goal, and my goal is clearly visible for me now. And after third one-on-one call, I'm very much clear about my path towards the success and what are the steps I need to take to reach that. And thank you so much for this sir. I'll come up with the results and I'll monetize it. Hello passionpreneurs, energy. Yes, it is full of energy, and this passionpreneur journey of 4 months was really amazing, and I got transformed in many areas. And yes, people are also recognizing my efforts and I'm increasing my visibility day by day. Many big people are recognizing me and approaching me, and they are asking me that where are you from and in which clinic you are working, in which hospital you are working, like that they are asking, because I'm a certified 𝘀𝗵𝗿𝗃𝗃 coach. They are thinking that I am a gynecologist, right? Many people are saying you are doing great job and all. Because of that increased visibility, I am getting many opportunities and people are reaching out to me asking that how can I join your sessions. Whatever the things which are given here in the Passionpreneurs are very useful and very updated version. Mentors, co-mentors, everyone are helping us to choose what we want exactly from the ocean of plethora of information we have around us. What are the things, what are the particular things we need to pick, to learn and to implement in our journey towards becoming passionpreneur, right? What are the exact things to learn to achieve your goal? That is what they are making us clear, and that is why I am so happy to share you that I'm a certified 𝘀𝗵𝗿𝗀𝗍 coach now, and I'm running daily batches, and all are very happy. All the mentees of me are very happy and even I am happy to tell you that finally I have become 𝘀𝗵𝗿𝗀𝗍 coach, and I'm successfully running my sessions, and I'm also uploading many videos in YouTube, and that was a dream of for me to become a YouTuber. And also I'm writing a book, and I'll soon announce the title and subtitle.